Hello everyone, my name is Spursh and welcome back in another video on Just a Tech YouTube channel. So today's video is little bit different, but I'm sure you guys will like it. Today I will show you the top 5 office apps for your iOS devices, include iPhone and iPad both, and it will help you a lot in your daily based life work and productivity and office and business work also. And the whole world is facing the struggle in this pandemic, and mostly all the work are done from home, including your office work, college work, school work and many more. So you will need a basic office apps to get your work done, like creating documents, scanning it, editing it, PDF scans, PDF editors and many more. So I will tell you the top 5 good apps that will help you in your daily life, and I also personally use these apps. So without wasting further time, let's jump to the video and start the process. Alright, so the first app in my list is Document by Riddle. You can use this app to read, view, edit your document and listen your ebooks also. So you can create, edit them, PDF files, Word files and many more, and you can share with your friends across this app. You can also import the document from your iCloud storage. So it's a good and complete app to edit your document files. Now you will get the plus option in the bottom, and that you will create the PDF and edit them, and also you can scan the document from the camera section. So let me just create a PDF. Now you can select the layout. Now you can create your PDF file. Now you can add any text, picture and anything you can do with this PDF, and you can also import the other PDFs from the files option, and you can also import that I said in the previous. Now you can see I've just created a sample PDF. Now you can just create it and save it like that, and you can also import the digital signature and the protect password option. After that you can just simply save it, give any name. Now the file saved. Now you can share this file with your friends, and you can also import the file from the gallery and click the photo of the PDF document by this. Now the second app in the list is Rocket PDF Converter PDF to Word. It's a all-in-one app to view, edit, scan and convert all your document files in one single app. It's a compatible with both iPhone and iPad, and it's a professional app for PDF file conversion software to all the files format like PDF to Word, PDF to image and other formats also like HTML, text, PNG, JPG, many more. So it's a easy and the all-in-one app. You can sure try this app. Now you will get 3 sections to convert PDF in different format. One is PDF to Word, PDF to image, Excel file, PPT, text, HTML. Other is picture to PDF, Word to PDF and many more. And also the password protect option, PDF encrypt and PDF compress option is also there. So you can try all these features. Let me try one feature, that is PDF to Word conversion. Now select the PDF file. Now it will convert it into the doc file. Now you can see, just preview the file and it successfully converted the PDF file into Word file. Now you can share this file, edit file and many more. So it's a easy and a multifunctional app. You can try the picture to PDF also. You can import the picture from your files, or you can directly click the picture from your camera app. Let me just open this picture. Now let me just import it. Now you can convert this picture to the PDF file. Now you can see it's converted into PDF file. Now you can preview here directly or share it also. So it's a all-in-one complete app to manage your all office work at one single place. You can try this app from the App Store. Links are in description. So the next app is Dropbox. All of you already know about this app. Dropbox lets you to upload and share all your files, including documents, with anyone across the world. You can backup, sync, upload your photos, documents, videos and other files to the iCloud storage within your mobile or PC and share it across all. It includes the scanned document, receipt, ID card, photos and many more, and it has very simple and clean UI. If you need an app that can upload, sync and share the document and files across different people and devices, this app for you. You can import files directly from your gallery, or you can also scan the document from the camera app. You can click the picture of the document directly, or you can import the image and then you can share it. So you can try all these options. Let's move further to the fourth app. Now the fourth app is Google Sheets. If you need an app that can handle the work in Excel file format, this app is for you. You can create, edit, view the Excel file in very easy way. It has all the features that can help you to make a perfect Excel file, including charts, data cells, formulas and many more. You can edit spreadsheets, cells, rows, column and enter your data and save it in Excel format. and it has many pre-templates. You can select any of them and create an Excel file including charts. So it gives you all the important features to make a perfect Excel file. So you can try this tool, it will surely help you. You need to just use your Gmail account ID and it will sync your all documents here, and you can edit, view and share the Excel file from there. So you will get the real-time experience to edit and view the Excel files with this Google Sheet, and it has so many features. You must try this app. So the last app in the list is Photos PDF Scanner Converter. It's a simple app that directly converts your images into PDF from camera. It's very easy to use and works in a simple way. Also it supports the iPhone and the iPad and latest iOS version. So you can check out the link for this app. Now it has two options. One is a camera roll and other is a gallery. Now you need to scan your documents. You can scan any documents and directly import it and convert it into PDF. And if you have already document images, you can import directly from the gallery, and you can also customize the images like to do filters, cropping and rotating. So you can do all these options from here. Now to save, you have to select the margin and the orientation. After that, give the file name and click on save, and it will save your PDF file. And you can also add your signature in the document. You need to just draw your signature and it will add in your document like this. So it's a complete and an easy application to make the images from the PDF and edit them. So that's all for the top 5 apps that will help you in your daily tasks. So all the apps links are in description. You can check them out, and if you like this video, give the thumbs up. So till then, goodbye, take care and peace out.